What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen, back at it again with another reaction video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for those of you who are, sorry, I'm a little bit distracted by my boyfriend and my cat, they're so cute. Anyways, for those of you who are familiar with my channel mostly because of this session, hi, today is not the session, or at least this video is not going to be about dancehall, but okay, so let me tell you guys something. Alright, so other than living life and doing what I do, I am a huge fan of like local, no, I won't say local, like Jamaican YouTubers. I appreciate the effort that these guys put in, the dedication to put out content for you guys and for us, like as I'm one of you watching as well, just like you watch me, we watch them together. And yesterday I was watching a Smack or Fact challenge by Tananya, and I swear, like, me nearly die, literally, like I nearly die. She and her mother is so cute, and like one mind say, oh, like, would it be cool for us to do like a reaction together to like what some of these challenges? Because I know so when I don't watch them, when they did with laugh and go on with a bag of antics. So I could just go with a bag of antics together. So quickly, but there, I have nothing to do. Why not? I could laugh about something, because with this corona and everything that's happening right now, 2020 will be too bad. Like I could just take a moment, a brief moment, to just laugh and try to, you know, smile through everything else that's happening. So and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now the first one I have pulled them, only I got to two of them because everybody does Smack or Fact challenge. I won't be doing one, so don't look for one from me. But everybody I do it, but I only ever watch two. I already say Tananya own, but let me go watch this again because then the reaction is not gonna be authentic because I already watch it. Tananya, you and your mother, very cute. So the one that I have pulled up right now, it says it's from Razor Blade TV. And it said I did the Smack or Fact challenge with my girlfriend, and then this happened. So I'm gonna know if this is actually a Smack or Fact challenge itself. Iantra was on live like literally right now while I'm recording this video, and I messaged her about it and she was saying that she didn't do one. So I don't know what I'm about to see another video here, but then if I clickbait, raise a clickbait to it. But I could say what a video is all about. Oh, and I'm not going to show the video itself, like you'll hear bits and pieces of the audio, but if you want to see the video, then you go to the People in channel and watch it. But yeah, so what? They make all got look at Angel face though. That not nice.
Oh, Fox video on Angel's channel, so by the way, I will look at you because we can't see Angel. Anyway, me have this video, me have this.
Bombard! I wonder if Angel not upload this yet. Wait, I wonder if it is that she not upload her challenge yet. Why she that said she'll do the challenge? But Razor would have wicked for upload a video here, the one boss the girl secret. Suppose she want to surprise her subscribers them. Look at so one.
Concept like 3 days ago, the lies your partner will tell. So basically, what we're gonna do is you are gonna say some lies where you think me will tell, and me are gonna do the same. So I don't know, we have to think too hard, you know. The first lie what Angel will tell, babe and me in the last 2 biscuit.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, it look like.
Yeah. Anyway, alright, no, you lose. No, I don't like your partner. You lose your child. My child, no. Babe, it's okay. Don't buy me anything. Babe, no, you're not going to buy me nothing, babe. Babe, I don't say to them, babe, we never been on one. You're school, just not going to take you money buy something else.
Ah!
Baby hungry?
Them cute.
Alright. 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 Is that you? What? I'm not mad.
Alright, so it look like them never. Alright, so it look like that video here is really like them did do it and it never work out. Or if you EFR channel, say it might upload. It might show like what happened after, like it might talk about the facts of the videos. That's what my boyfriend said to me. Anytime you really want to talk about something, Yes, girl. Have a pair of receipts. Yes.
Sometimes we really get to lie and then I say, alright, I lie and then I say, every receipt what you do, girl? Yeah, I'm that type of person.
You been talking to yourself in your word?
Yeah.
God, sometimes you're right.
Truth or lie?
Hell no.
Baby, you never seen or remember
I
saying.
enough time to say me to remember stuff. But, alright, no. You catch me in something. Me not tell you me don't remember because of a lie. There's a lot of times we really don't remember something. But in the argument, what you mean?
Like if you do something or
No. When me do okay.
No.
situation occur months ago. Then today, ask about it.
Alright.
Babe,
Alright, so since this is another actual smack or fact challenge, I'm gonna stop it right there so I move on to the other one. Hopefully maybe Yantra gonna upload for your one. When that go up, then of course we will see it. But people, I don't want you me want to say because wait, it look like say I know. Let me see. I feel you're trying to make the point. Okay. Alright, so Trish Sassy and Rolly upload a smack or fact challenge show. As I'm telling them only I got do two. This is gonna be the second one. What I gonna do? So Rolly have a one big piece of plastic bag, so I already know say a bag of excitement. Already, if I wanna do rag, like bro is fully prepared for all this flour. Like the people that easy with this a challenge just still doing it. Can you imagine somebody put flour pan them on or powder? Any no matter the white substance, pan them on and a box here, and them a box each other, and a little easy box and some hard box. No sir. Watch it, watch out one there. Jesus! No. Poetry, no that not nice. No, it look like a real puppy show for you. Watch it.
It's gonna be snowing today.
so it's your boy, the weatherman. So, we have 5 questions each. We're gonna give. Fair? Let me put a full question in because this one, on say really so easy as somebody will don't play game. Him, he might favorite color.
Bro, I like up Trish video. Trish nice, I like Trish. Trish don't play, Trish not ram, Trish a serious girl, I like it.
You're being unfair. You're shocked because I answered the question right. Why are you doing this? It's not the behavior. Come on.
Me alone can't deal when we only switch between patois into British. Like, me not understand. Like, this minute is like, what I do? That no fear. And then you jump into like, come on, what is that? That is so not nice. Like, me not understand. And me alone comment down below if I'm me alone.
Come on, you ask for a color, I give you the color.
Tell me.
Yeah, you have to ask the next question. That's the next question. No, lady, you need to be straightforward. You never ask. When I get to wrong, what there? What's with?
No, really, I teach, Really, I teach. Every time I play one game, because when I tell them I also watch them. So every time I play one game or do one challenge, always, you must see them, always I find a way to say, them other team.
Mustard or yellow. One thing, yo, Trish. Everybody knows that Trish says no. You're too unfair, man. You're unfair. Come on.
No, only forgot to check out that video. Yeah. But sorry, so I can't see what me and see right now. But I incentive for the no really that do nice. That never nice. Boxing back. But my trailer did. I what kind of stress? Yes, I'm a kid and I get excited. Oh, let's slap me see her. Look how she full of powder. Yes, I'm here. put your face in it. I'm done. What do you mean if you can check out that video as I tell you now? Like I swear, I'm sorry you can't see me, I'm sorry, but as I tell you now, and I close up people in video. Go check it out. Bye-bye.
What is my favorite fast food to eat?
Ready? Yeah, can now get it right. You get it right. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna finish watch this off camera because the video long, we don't know already, so then people upload hell of a long videos. So the video long, so I'm gonna finish watch it off camera. But people, Jesus, as I'm gonna tell you now, support your local Jamaican YouTubers because the talent enough, the talent out here, and if we support each other, then the thing can only get bigger and better. You get what I say? Overseas YouTubers be winning because the people support each other. So support one another. Watch them, like on the video them, share the video them. And if you liked this video, if you enjoyed your time here, if we get a look one laugh out of all of the sanitization and disinfecting or what I do every single minute, then like the video. And also subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload videos like this. Sometimes, you know, I want like a fun and excitement on the channel. So subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your friends. I tell you all the time on this session, I'm gonna bring it right here. So to share the video upon WhatsApp. When you click share, you're gonna say WhatsApp pop up. I know Instagram and Facebook is a bag of stress. I'm not gonna stop saying it, you know. It's a bag of stress. So use WhatsApp, share it with 5 of your friends and tell them to share it with 5 of them other friends. It's much easier for export, much easier for get the content out there. So come in, just make work together. WhatsApp the video, yeah. And also follow me on Instagram, guys, and Facebook. All the links are in the description bar down below. What you doing? Hey, hey. I should not pay me no mind, my flop. Alright, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.
Me never forget all who did a laugh. Only come round man for a floss. Them still a walk while we a drive past. He employee turning a the boss. Every ghetto youth unstoppable, we unstoppable. Unstoppable, we unstoppable. Fly past them ghetto youths untrackable. Can't stop it in, you know see we unblockable. Oh, unstoppable, we unstoppable. Unstoppable, we unstoppable. Knock on your wrist, every door unlockable. The whole of we a star. So me nah go give up, it no easy fi reach, but it harder fi broke. Give me piece of the cake, a sip half of the cup of the rich man. Pitney have all of the luck, but me nah go give in. Want a big house for the hill fi live in. Tired fi a go sleep, want live in a me dream in a real life. Buy a few Benz fi me team. You know me never get tired. Unstoppable, we unstoppable. Unstoppable, we unstoppable. Fly past them ghetto youths untrackable.